Hello, in the second meeting, we are discuss about analyzing of information. With me, Enang Satyawati, the lecturer of English profession. Review the question. The question generated before the information was gathered should be reviewed. Why was this particular information necessary? What question what is to answer? What kind of decisions are to be made based on this information? It is common for people to work very hard planning for the information they need, and then, once the information is collected, to not look back and renew their understanding of the central issue and key question. Important results that we not anticipate should not, however, be ignored. Sometimes, putting information together will raise important, unforeseen and irrelevant questions. There can be note for future reference and pointed out this presentation of result. Organize the information. The mechanic of organizing of information for analysis will vary according to the thinking processes of different people. Sometimes it is best not to be forced of certain way of thinking. On the other hand, there is a certain logic that can be followed. Gather together all relevant information that has been collected. If necessary, sort information into parts which belong together. Some may have already been analyzed, some may be partly analyzed, and some may need analysis. Decide how to analyze information. Analysis of part may be simple, adding up number and averaging that or comparing information to examine the relationship one of thing to another or two things together. Analyze quantitative information. It is likely that quantitative or maybe number information action will be computed by hand or with the use of ending machine. Two straightforward way to analyze information are tally sheet and a summary sheet. Tally sheet are useful for summarizing information such as production figure, survival figures, and nurses' sales. It is especially important to think carefully about the piece of information that we paired will answer the question that very originally asked. The tally sheet is an especially good way to analyze information when literacy is not high. Sketches and or symbols can be used to show the columns when the tally sheet is prepared at a meeting or in a group. Pattern emerges in a way which everyone can see. Summary sheet. To show information individually in order to see clearly the differences between each piece of information, a summary sheet can be used. They are especially useful for analyzing information for interview. Analysis of quantitative descriptive information is a creative and a critical process. The way the information has been gathered will probably determine how it can best be analyzed. For example, if drawing a community have been done at the beginning, middle, and end of the project can be analyzed by presenting a series of drawings to a number of individuals and asking them to validate the drawing. Are they truly representative? And if not, why not? Rate the difference: very good, good, not very good. Analyze qualitative information. Analysis of qualitative descriptive information is a creative and critical process. The way the information has been gathered will probably determine how it can best be analyzed. Integrate the information. Putting the analyzed part together in a way that tells the complete story can be done by the team that has been assessed together and analyzed information. Partial analysis can be presented to the large community group for completion. The importance of presenting result. Themes: focus of the community, assurance that we community and field staff benefit by identifying, gathering, and analyzing information. But the job is not done until the result of delivered to the intended audience and decision made. Too often, valid, reliable, vitally information results are not used. That is not only a words or resources information, planning, gathering, and analysis. It also means that important decisions are made without adequate information. It is important that decision maker get the relevant information and that the information is received on time. It is also important that results are presented in a way that understandable to the people for whom they are meant. Okay, thank you for watching and see you for the third meeting. Okay, bye bye.